forgot how to turn the hose on. Well, update on my condition. So I'm taking antibiotics and steroids again. Hopefully it'll prevent it. From turning to pneumonia, apparently. It is oh gosh, they're creating. Cool. Oh, my hairband, I wondered what it was. Yes. So, yes, it's like a really bad chest infection. Look what these chickens have done, look. There's more new bedding outside than there is inside. Let's let the little beauties out. Good morning, ducks. Hello, Lucy. Hello, Chuck. Well, little buggers. Let's pop that in there a minute. Ooh! It seems we have a very lush goose egg in there, but I may be mistaken. Let's get these goats. Come on! Sorry about all the whizzing. Let's put you in my basket or somewhere. No. You can't really see by there, can you? Oh, well, that's a kind of better view. Come on then. Now, gooses. Come on. Happy cucumber day, ducks. Happy cucumber day. Hey, you nibblers. There you go. There you go, Miss Pooh. There you go. Oh, they do love a cucumber. Where's Miss Josephine? Oops. There you go. You do love a cucumber, don't you? You too. Oh, well, that appears to be the cucumber done. Yes, they've got cucumber, carrots, and cauliflower greens this morning. Now is the time to sort their water. Do you remember last time I tried to sort their water? I dropped you. We don't want to drop you again, do we? But you cannot see from there. But you can see from there. Right. Go, shush. There. Happy ducks, let's get this waterer. Yes. I will be ringing the electrical shop today. Yes. I need to know, because it is a month today that they've had it. Well, I don't know what to say. Let me go and sort the waters out.